Welcome. Let's look at this question. What is the hyoid bone? The hyoid bone is a U-shaped bone that is located at the roof of the neck, just below the mandible. And this is what the hyoid bone looks like. It is U-shaped. And this bone, what is distinct about it is that it is a standalone bone. It is not structurally connected to other bones in the body. So it is just on its own. And what this bone does is to create attachment site for the tongue. So the tongue is held in place by the hyoid bone, and it also creates attachment sites for also muscles of the floor of the oral cavity. So you can see that the hyoid bone, even though it is not structurally connected to other bones in the body, it also has its own distinct functions that it exhibits in the body. So thanks for watching. Let's meet again.